Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Comcast Remote is probably one of the most essential, yet often overlooked, accessories for your home entertainment system, and if yours is lost, broken, or simply not working as it should, finding the right replacement can feel like a daunting task, especially with so many options available on the market, each promising to be the perfect fit for your specific Comcast set-top box or streaming device. Number 5. Snow Chromecast Remote Replacement. Introducing a perfect replacement remote designed for your Chromecast with Google TV HD 4K and Google TV Streamer 4K. It's specifically made for the Snow Chromecast model. Unlock the power of voice. Simply press the voice button to search for entertainment, manage volume, switch inputs, play music, and get instant answers on your screen. Pairing is a breeze. Just press the pairing button on your device, then hold the back and home buttons on the remote for 10 seconds until the LED flashes. Get started right away. This remote requires two AAA batteries, which are not included in the package. Experience stable operation with a 32-foot range and a rapid 0.2s response time. It's built to last, tested for over 120,000 clicks, and features an anti-slip design for a secure grip. What we like. If you are looking for a remote that offers seamless voice search functionality, this is the one. It's designed for quick and easy pairing, getting you back to your entertainment in no time. The anti-slip design ensures a stable grip during use, making it ideal for those who value convenience and a secure feel. What people say. The remote control replacement is a perfect fit for the Comcast Xfinity TV box. It functions exactly like the original remote, with all buttons working correctly. The setup was incredibly easy. I just inserted the batteries and it worked immediately without any programming. Number 4. Xfinity XR15 Voice Control Remote. Introducing the Xfinity XR15 Voice Control Remote. This brand new, unopened remote is designed for your X1, X6, X5, and XG2 equipment. Experience the convenience of voice control. Simply speak your commands to navigate your entertainment effortlessly. Installation is a breeze with automatic pairing. This remote is designed to connect seamlessly with your compatible devices. Easily access important features like closed captioning, video description, and voice guidance. It's designed for your convenience. Get started right away. Batteries are included in the pack, so you can begin using your new remote immediately. What we like. This remote brings the power of voice control right to your fingertips, simplifying how you interact with your TV. With automatic pairing, setup is a breeze, and since batteries are included, you can start using it right away. If you prioritize ease of use and immediate functionality, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This remote control replacement works perfectly with my Comcast Xfinity box. The design is sleek and fits comfortably in my hand. All the buttons are responsive and easy to use. Number 3. Xfinity XR15 Voice Control Remote. Introducing the Xfinity XR15 Voice Control Remote. This brand new, unopened remote comes in its original plastic packaging, ensuring you receive a pristine product. It's designed to work seamlessly with your X1, X6, X5, and XG2 equipment. Enjoy effortless control over your entertainment system. Take command with its advanced voice control feature. Simply speak commands to navigate channels, search for content, and more. We've made it even easier to get started. Batteries are included, so you can begin using your new remote right away. Access essential features like closed captioning, video description, and voice guidance with ease. It's designed for your convenience. This model also includes a helpful backlight feature, making it easy to see and use in any lighting condition. What we like. Get double the convenience with this 2-pack, perfect for households with multiple users or as a backup. Both remotes feature intuitive voice control and come with batteries included, so you can set them up and start using them instantly. If you need spares or want to equip different rooms with voice control, this pack is a smart buy. What people say. This remote is a perfect replacement for the original. It works exactly like the original remote and was easy to set up. All the buttons are in the right place and it feels good in the hand. Number 2. Xfinity XR11 Premium Voice Remote. Introducing the Xfinity XR11 Premium Voice Remote, the latest model designed for the X1 platform. This remote offers advanced features for a seamless viewing experience. Navigate your entertainment effortlessly with intuitive voice control. The backlit keypad ensures easy operation, even in the dark. Enjoy the convenience of aim anywhere control with RF capability. This allows you to operate your TV without directly pointing the remote. Quickly access essential features like closed captioning and voice guidance. It's designed to make your TV experience more accessible and user-friendly. This remote is compatible with HD DVRs, including Motorola, X1, and X2 systems, supporting both IR and RF control for maximum versatility. Take full command of your entertainment setup. It also includes convenient TV input control for a complete home theater experience. What we like. For those who often watch TV in low light, the backlit keypad on this remote is a game changer. Its voice activation allows for effortless channel surfing and control, while the Aim Anywhere RF capability means you don't have to point it directly at the box. If you appreciate enhanced usability in any lighting condition and the freedom of RF control, consider this option. What people say. It was easy to set up and works perfectly with my Xfinity TV. This remote is a great replacement for the original one. All the buttons work as expected. Number 1. 3-device Universal Comcast Xfinity Remote Control RNG DCX. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote is designed to simplify your entertainment setup. It allows for 3 distinct setups, easily linking your TV, cable box, and auxiliary devices. Enjoy seamless access to your favorite on-demand content with this dedicated remote. Beyond your TV, it can connect to your DVD player, VCR, receiver, audio system, and much more. Streamline your home entertainment experience with one powerful and versatile remote. What we like. Simplify your entertainment setup with this universal remote designed to control multiple devices. It allows for 3 distinct setups, meaning you can manage your TV, DVD player, and audio system all from one place. If you're tired of juggling multiple remotes and want a streamlined experience for on-demand content and other devices, this is the solution. What people say. The remote control is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. Easy to set up, just put in batteries and it works right away. All the buttons are clearly labeled and easy to press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.